Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Okta OAuth for SSO, full guide step by step clearly. To begin with, navigate to the Okta Developer Console. Log into your Okta account with appropriate credentials. Once logged in, locate the Applications tab in the dashboard. Click on the Add Application button to create a new app integration. Select the web platform for your new application. Click on the Next button to proceed with the configuration. In the application settings, fill in the name and description for your application. Under Login Redirect URIs, enter the URL where users will be sent after authentication. Add any additional URLs as needed for logout or other purposes. For groups, choose whether to make the app available to everyone or specific groups. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Done button to create the application. Now, select the newly created application from the list. Go to the General tab to view your client credentials. Make a note of the client ID and client secret for later use. Next, navigate to the Authorization tab. Set the Login Redirect URI to match what you entered earlier. Ensure implicit and authorization code options are checked under Allowed Grant Types. Click on Save to preserve the changes. Now, switch to your application's codebase. Install the required Okta SDK or libraries for your programming language. Follow the specific documentation for integration according to your chosen SDK. Specify your Okta domain in your application's configuration file. Use the client ID and client secret noted earlier to authenticate API calls. Implement the OAuth flow within your application, allowing users to log in. Ensure to handle tokens securely and store them appropriately. Test the integration by accessing the application and verifying user login. Check the user flow to confirm that authorization with Okta is functioning smoothly. Troubleshoot any errors by examining your Okta dashboard and application logs. Once everything is working, document your setup for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.